Hello and welcome to a quick room tour of the Flamingo Oasis. Here we have some wardrobe space. Plenty of space for all your clothes. A couple of more sheets. More space there. Hello. The bathroom, toilet, bidet, some towels, a shower bath with some Dove shampoo and body wash. Nice his and hers sink. We have two beds in this room with a nice sized TV and coffee making hot drinks. We've got a little fridge there, nice couch. And this is the view outside. A little plastic chair there. Just chill out on. Dry clothes on here. And we've got a nice mountain view. Benidorm just down that way. And yeah, we're further that way is the pool, but it's a nice room. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.